In this video, let's understand how to configure other statutory details in Kitaabh, such as incorporation information, IEC code, and MSME registration. Here, you can enter additional regulatory details related to your business. Start by selecting your incorporation type, such as private limited company, partnership firm, LLP, or proprietorship. Then enter your incorporation number as per your company registration certificate. If your business is involved in import or export activities, you can enter your IEC number here. Provide the IEC number, date of issue, last modified date, and name of the authorized signatory. This information is useful for compliance related to foreign trade transactions. If your business is registered under MSME, you can provide the MSME registration type, date of registration, and UDM registration number. Once all the statutory details are entered, click on Save to apply the settings.